Okay, we're going to take a look at extended modules in Textpression now, starting with function calls. Function calls allow you to specify another module within an expression which will take text as an argument and return text as a result. Passing text to and retrieving processed text from a function call is achieved via identifiers. A function call within an expression has a predefined identifier as its source and another as its result. You can capture to or copy to the source identifier. You can also simply use an identifier that has been initialized with text in the module creation stage. Function calls can be recursive, which is useful if you want to deal with, say, nested HTML. To demonstrate function calls, I've partially created a module here which matches any of the pet names and captures them to an identifier called pet name. I've also created a module called uppercase which accepts lowercase letters and converts them to their uppercase versions. Okay, so to demonstrate the function call itself, the way function calls work is they take text as argument and return text as a result. The text they return as a result is the text that they accept as arguments with any replacements made. So in the case of uppercase, we'll get the text back that we put in, but in an uppercase form. So let's make the function call itself to uppercase. And we notice when we do that, let's just hide the components for a second, we get a couple of identifiers that we may not be expecting. We always get these when we drag in function call references. The first one is source string and the second one is results. Source string is the identifier that you will assign to, and results is the identifier that will contain the changed text from uppercase. So let's make an assignment to source string. We're going to do that with a identifier copy. So what we want to do is copy pet name to source string. And then what we're going to do is we're going to replace each pet name with the uppercase version from the result of the call to uppercase. So let's just try that, and there we go, we get the uppercase version of each of the pet names. A quick aside here is that function calls can also be made to the calling module. So in other words, you can make recursive calls.